get started. Gas, what else? Yes. Water! That's the easy one. Wait a minute, that's my favorite. Data's a little bit tricky. It starts letter V. Yes, I am going to show you how water can be in all three states of matter. Now we've got water in its liquid state in my tea kettle. Yes, young man. It doesn't have any water in it. That's the funny thing. It is called dry ice. Hold on. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, I'm going to repeat that.
70% water.
Oh, I love it. Yes. In the oceans, exactly. Bloop, 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 bloop. A lot. Wow. This is all ocean water. This is undrinkable. This is all of the fresh water on our planet. But this is not all available to drink. It's trapped somewhere where we cannot get to it. It's frozen. We can't drink frozen. I'm going to have to remove all of the accessible non-frozen fresh water on our planet. Oh my. Now this teeny tiny drip drop has to be shared by every single human being on this planet.
766 gallons of water to furnish one cotton t-shirt.
766 gallons of water just to make one cotton t-shirt. Guys, this is nuts. And young man, what's your name? Joseph. All right, Victoria, I'm going to give you the toothbrush. Oh, yes. All right. That's your house next to their house. So go stand over there by your houses. All you need is one cup. There you go. You help those guys out. You only need one cup, so go get your one cup. What we're going to do right now is play a very quick game of Water Jeopardy.